are.
So we're gonna be eating like fancy people.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, you're like a vacuum.
The one who said ready, set, go is me, Julia Gomez, Sarah.
Julie, this is going on Facebook. Don't put your name out there.
That's messed up.
Do you want to get raped and killed?
Yeah.
Oh, it actually tastes pretty good.
Yeah. Kind of horrible and kind of good.
Julie, shut up. Fuck forks. Pinky's up. Wait. Charlie!
Why do you do that, Charlie? Mother, I'm gonna kill myself in a second.
How you gonna know this one?
That means...
Julie, shut up! No, don't you dare! Turn on the phone! No, not that one, the other one! I think you won. Oh, get in there.
No one likes your phone.
Finish.
No.
You should have that thing. Whatever that is. Nothing went up my nose. It burns. Dude, Susan. What'd you do? Nothing. It fell before I put it in there.
No. She put pasta in there.
What the? You still gonna eat it? It didn't go up my nose, it just got out right there.
That's so nice.
YOLO.
I'm full.
I'm finished. I'm full. Me too.
No, Jade won.
Bye.
Jade!